everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Let's us learn how to draw minions today, shall we? Go grab your pencils and we will get started. We will draw the goggles of the minions first. Draw 2 semicircles. Then repeat with 2 inverted semicircles below. Next, we shall draw its eyes with some circles. First circle. Second circle. Third. And then the last one. Let's shade the space in between. Repeat the same steps for the other eye. The minion's eyes are completed now. Let's draw the head next. At the middle of the left eye, draw a curved line across, like so. Then draw a small line down from the left eye. Next, we shall draw the minion's body. Leave some space at both ends, then draw 2 lines down. We shall start working on the minion's overall now. Ready? Draw 2 rectangular straps in the space we left just now. Like so. Then a line across joining the 2 straps. Next, 2 S-curve at both sides. Followed by a semicircle at the bottom to close the gap. We shall add in the pockets now. Followed by the buttons on the overall. First, draw a circle, then a cross inside, like so. Repeat the same for the other side. Then some buttons on the pockets too. Now we shall give the overall a little design. Let's work on the minion's mouth now. Add in the teeth using some small rectangles. We shall work on the minion's hands now. At where the straps were, draw 2 straight lines up, followed by 3 little fingers. Then close the gap with an open square. Let's do it again for the other hand. 2 lines up, 3 little fingers. Close the gap. Let's work on the minion's bottom now. Then add in its shoes to complete. We are completed with the minions now. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please help me like, share, and subscribe.